the position I played in the NFL, which is a long snapper. Throughout my life, I've probably long snapped 1,000,000 times. And so my shoulders, wrists, elbows coming through my body with my back, popping up and blocking someone or running was just taking a lot of wear and tear. And so my third year, I tore my ACL. So it was my first major injury. Had surgery, they opened up my knee and they found a meniscus tear as well, so double repair. It was one of those things that when you're playing in the NFL, when you're playing at a high level, you don't want to claim injury a lot because there's someone always waiting behind you to take your position. So I fought through those injuries and feelings and played as long as I could. And now, 10, 12, 13 years after I retired, it's kind of catching up to me. Best choice I made. And after hearing my former teammates who've come down here and experienced this and seeing the soldier who came down, he really sold us on it because of just his real kind of experience. It was authentic of what he's feeling, what he's experiencing, and then a few weeks later, how he feels after that. So it was just giving us a lot of positivity of like we chose the right place. Jogging is something I'm looking forward to. Jogging, and been extremely limited for the last 10 years with pain. I'm looking to just get back to my playing weight and being able to run around with the kids, and me and my wife love doing workouts together. So something that I'm not always modifying some of the things that she can do because she's a badass. I want to be able to keep up with her and then, just live a healthy lifestyle.